In today's episode, we are going to learn on how to install EPSON L3116 printer. Let us do the unboxing first. Inside the box is a power connector, complete set of ink, installation disc, and USB connector to connect your printer to your PC. If your printer is new, you will see a lot of stickers. Let us remove all this blue stickers. Can I save ink using this printer? Don't compromise on cost as you print. With EPSON's EcoTank L3116, you'll be able to save costs as each set of bottle inks has an ultra-high yield of 7,500 for color and 4,500 pages for black. Is it a space-saving design, spill-free refilling? Yes, it is compact and sleek. The new tank design is integrated into the printer to allow the printer to have a small footprint. Enjoy spill-free and error-free refilling with individual bottles which have unique key nozzles that fit only into their respective tanks. High-quality prints at low printing cost. Now available in white, the EcoTank L3116 is EPSON's economical and multifunctional printing solution, which takes care of every detail to meet business needs. The integrated ink tank enables spill-free, error-free refilling with individual bottles that have designated nozzles. It allows prints of up to 7,500 colored and 4,500 black and white pages, while delivering high-quality borderless 4R photos. How about its quality and speed? The L3116 prints at a high printing resolution of 5760 by 1440 dpi, delivering exceptionally high-quality prints for all your needs. You will appreciate the fast print speeds of up to 10 IPM for black and 5.0 IPM for color. Initial ink charge. Connect your printer to the power outlet and turn it on. After a few minutes, a red light indicator will appear. All you need to do is to press the button near the red light indicator for about 2 to 3 seconds. This process will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Do I need to worry about the EPSON warranty? Enjoy warranty coverage of up to 2 years or 30,000 prints, whichever comes first, for maximum value from your printer and freedom from worries over its maintenance. EPSON's warranty includes coverage of print head, which is most important for a printer designed for high-volume printing. Let us now download the printer's driver. This printer already have an installation disk inside the box. But since my laptop does not have an external optical drive, I will download the driver from the EPSON website. Install printer's driver. After downloading, just open the driver. You have the option to check or uncheck the boxes. Click the license agreement. After a successful installation, we are going to test print the printer. Thank you for watching.